Revolutionary robots, shaping our future. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the cutting-edge world of technology. Today, we have something truly exciting for you. We're diving into the realm of robots that are set to revolutionize the way we live. From enhancing healthcare to transforming industries, these robots are changing the world as we know it. Let's get started. Our first robot innovation comes from the field of healthcare. Meet RoboNurse, an advanced medical assistant designed to provide personalized care to patients. With its sophisticated sensors and AI capabilities, RoboNurse can monitor vital signs, administer medication, and even engage in empathetic conversations with patients. Next up, we have a robot that's making waves in the manufacturing industry. Introducing SwiftArm, a highly efficient robotic arm that streamlines production processes. SwiftArm swiftly assembling products on an assembly line. By automating repetitive tasks, SwiftArm not only increases productivity but also ensures precision and accuracy, leading to higher quality products. Now, let's take a look at a robot that's revolutionizing the transportation sector. Say hello to AutoDrive, an autonomous vehicle that's set to redefine our concept of mobility. AutoDrive navigating through busy city streets, showcasing its advanced self-driving capabilities. With state-of-the-art sensors and AI algorithms, AutoDrive promises enhanced safety, reduced traffic congestion, and increased accessibility for all. Our final innovation today comes from the field of environmental sustainability. Meet EcoBot, a remarkable robot that tackles pollution head-on. EcoBot cleaning up polluted water bodies, collecting trash, and restoring ecosystems. Powered by renewable energy, EcoBot is on a mission to create a greener, cleaner world for future generations. And there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible world of robots that are shaping our future. Thanks for joining us on this thrilling journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the wonders of technology. Goodbye.